Some time ago, Ducati surprisingly revealed that they had been working for 2 years to develop a prototype, and this bike was planned to make its debut next season in the Italian Motocross Championship. The project to develop a completely new motorbike entity for Ducati, which has been running for several years, will complete Ducati's lineup of production machines from the off-road racing discipline, which will gradually become part of the Ducati family as a brand that is closely associated with motorsport. This time, we will try to discuss the latest motocross, which is being leaked little by Ducati in their social media uploads. Ducati's secret weapon, which is expected to be a completely new 450cc single-cylinder special engine, has so far been successfully protected by Ducati from external information leaks. Yes, because we all know about this project officially from Ducati only. And not long ago, they launched a teaser video of a special engine motorbike in action with 2 racers on this machine, both of whom are the 8-time Italian champion Alessandro Lupino and also the 9-time MX World Champion Antonio Caroli. It looks like we will soon see this highly anticipated motorbike with all the luxury and sophistication befitting a machine made by a European manufacturer in the relatively near future, considering that it will soon be the turn of the year and we will welcome the 2024 competition season. Ducati has hinted at a big launch on January 21 to 23 at the Campioni and Pista event, where the factory motocross team will be there. Italian media confirmed that the new motorbike will also be unveiled at the event. Let's just wait. Little information is known about Ducati's newest special engine motocross machine, but Ducati revealed that this bike will have a very wide engine power delivery curve. They go on to say that this will be possible thanks to the use of the desmodromic valve system, which is used on all their sports bikes, including MotoGP engines. "We can't wait to see the Desmo with all its potential on the track," said Ducati Course.